Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I'm here with another sewing technique. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn your binding corners perfectly. This technique is so easy and quicker to do, and I'm so excited to show you this easy method. As you can see, this is our front and that's our back. On both sides it's perfectly. So let's go ahead and start our today project. So now we are nearby our corner. As you can see, I'm just gonna sew just near the corner, and then just gonna take out, and I will show you what to do next. So if you see, I have a sew just little, I left this little quarter-inch seams from a side corner. So simply we just gonna move our binder to the other edge, next edge. As you can see, I have put my finger here and just folding it, okay? And by folding it, you're simply pressing on the top of this, so It's very nicely neat and clean binding. That's how we have finished our quilt today. You can trim the extras threads. You see the corners? How beautifully they are folded. And even the back, I try to have a clean stitch. The front is nice as well. Thank you so much for watching our today project, and if you're really inspired by this project, please give this video thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel Cyrus Creations. God bless you all and have a blessed day. Bye bye.